What are you doing at home sitting on the couch getting fat? You could be out here getting gold nuggets like this poor boy.
And staying fat.
Yeah, staying fat and getting gold. Right now is nothing. When it gets right about there, it's going to start stripping the hide off you, even though it's cool out here. Make sure you got some type of protection for, you know, snakes like gators or high boots. I see a lot of you wearing tennis shoes and shorts. Please be careful out there. This is the real deal. Now, if you guys got questions, don't hesitate to ask. If you guys need help with something, don't hesitate to ask. That's another reason why we picked that thing up. I figure I'm a mini person, I'm gonna use a mini car. No, it's side by side. You get around out here in the gold fields. So I figured it'd be a lot easier to ride around in this, and it's got a dump bucket so I can load it up with gold ore and take it back to the ranch and process it. But it's a fun rig, it's 4-wheel drive. And yeah, I figured if I'm lucky, I'll be able to drive it. My wife, this is basically for her so she can drive me around. Getting up in age.
There you go.
You gotta get one, I'm telling you.
Here at camp, that's where all our chow's gonna be. We're gonna be serving that up pretty quick. Of course, we got our camp stove, gotta have that. Heat up water, make coffee. And that, of course, is our Dutch oven table. Throw all our Dutch oven stuff. Here's our second one, that's a disc table. All the Dutch oven gear, that's the accessories and stuff. Swing over here. Of course, that's the desert dog. It's been a lot of places doing a lot of cooking. Yeah, and there is camp.
Oh, look at that, but it looks like it's been sliding around on its butt.
Yep.
Oh, oh, oh.
Oh no.
Uh-oh.
Move, baby. Move.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, I love you too.
Here I got a pinpoint right here.
I love you too, but I can't
Grab
see
me.
when you standing there, baby. Oh, careful. Careful, don't step on that search coil.
It's tuned to our channel.
Wow. All right.
Now we're doing some burgers for the folks up here. Got some burgers, we season them all, and we're putting them on the grill here with briquettes underneath of them. Nothing like a good old flame broiled burger.
It's there, guys.
Yeah.
It's out there. It's a matter of hitting it.
Yeah, it's just a matter of getting out there and swinging over the top of it.
Hitting the right spot.
Big one's right by the Joshua tree with a stream that went by and it waterfalled off. So I checked at the bottom, it was right there.
Oh, it was up underneath?
Like underneath, off the waterfall where it fell out.
Okay.
Yeah, and it was just
Oh,
right,
from the low pressure.
Yeah, it was right there. It dug about 4 inches. It was right there.
Wow.
Yeah, so really good.
There's the biscuits. There's the lid that we cooked under.
Hopefully they're gonna get their act together.
There's the sausage. Whole pot of gravy. And right here, we got eggs. And we are going to make one big casserole right there. So.
Okay, hi everybody. This here is the what I call coal miners breakfast. We do it every time we go to a campsite or a camp out or a competition. It works out great. Basically all it is biscuits on the bottom, and then you've got sausage on top of the biscuits, and then you've got your egg on top of the sausage, and then you cover the whole unit with country gravy.
Oh, wow.
And that makes this the coal miner's breakfast. So here it is. I hope y'all enjoy it.
The sausage is the cold seam. There we go.
This here is in a 20-inch deep oven. It should feed a good 20, 25 people. This particular oven, we have been able to do 5 chickens in it, all at the same time, along with the potatoes and veggies. So it works out great for a home meal for a large gathering of friends and whoever you want to invite in your campsite. Easy.
I see how you do that.
Yeah, it's pretty simple.
Yeah, that's
And what's
perfect.
neat is with the sausage being the coal. That's how
Great.
that's how I come up with the coal miner's name.
Right.
Now for lunch we had pulled pot roast beef with slider rolls. So everybody got a couple of those and some of my favorite baked beans. Everybody seemed to enjoy the lunch. They came back for seconds. Nobody went away hungry. So right now, it's getting late in the afternoon. Some of the people have headed back into town. Others have headed back out into the mountains. Do a little bit of last detecting before the afternoon sun goes behind the mountains. What a great day. Lots of good food. Jeff's running around making sure everybody's finding gold, making sure everybody knows how to use their detector. In fact, Kelly's out there right now seeing if she can scour some gold up. What an incredible experience. If you haven't been on one of Jeff's adventures, one of his gold tours, you really ought to think about it. It's a great time, lots of great camaraderie, and well, gold.
What are you gonna pan with then? You can't pan with that. No. So I figured you're gonna pan with this.
Yeah, it was. Right, and that's what
Right,
the
so dump it in there.
the concentrates are in there.
That's cons. He just shoveled into that. It's all
right.
We still have one here. It's at the top and a little more here. Sure, this is the bottom of the cons. We're gonna pan them both.
Sorry.
It's still good.
Yeah, I was like, I don't know why you're.
We really don't need to take that down too far. Nope. Nope. It's in the bag.
Well, scoop it out, son of Jay.
Oh boy. All right. Let's add to that. Keep yourself clean.
Is it working?
Give me some angle.
There you go.
Hey, Jamie Spinner from Las Vegas, Nevada. I'm out here with Jeff Williams, and Joanne's been feeding us like you wouldn't believe. And we're finding a little bit of shiny, a little bit of flash in the pan.
Oh, really? Recirculating? All right, so if this thing starts to droop on you,
Okay.
that's how you can tighten it up. You
Sure.
use a coin or screwdriver, whatever you got.
Flat rock maybe.
All right, real simple machine.
Mm-hmm.
The power's in the back right here.
Okay.
Flip it over ways to the right.
Yep.
4 beats is a solid battery. So you
Okay.
got great battery.
We're good today.
First thing you gotta do, kind of like your machine, except I don't have to point it at the sun. I just point it up in the air.
Sure.
And I'm gonna do a frequency scan. It says it right here.
Yep.
Push the button, kind of hang tight, let it do its Night Rider thing.
Yep.
It's gonna do that for about 20 seconds.
That is Night Rider.
Yeah.
Kid, I'm almost ready.
Kid. Now, got
All
a
right.
ground balance.
Yep.
Now, there's a little button right here,
Okay.
and it has red print, and it says shift over the top of it.
Gotcha.
So when I hit that, that red light shows up, and anything that says red, those buttons now have that key function.
Okay. Okay.
So, and then it'll go back to clear.
it's like
so,
the shift key almost. Yeah,
exactly,
yeah, yeah,
same thing.
Yeah.
Well, ground balance is in red. So
Okay.
in order, and then ground balance is for this button. But
Right,
hey,
right.
wait a minute, I did my frequency scan. So
Right.
I'm gonna hit him,
Yep.
then I'm gonna hold down on him,
Yep. Okay.
and I'm gonna make butter.
Okay. Pump.
Yeah, making butter. Making bacon on the beach.
It's going wee woo.
Woo-hoo, hee-haw.
And it's going down. Nice. It's balancing.
Yep.
Okay. Pumping down the.
There we go.
Yeah. All right, so what's gonna happen is I'm gonna hold the hat over your head like this, so you can't see it. First place is gonna be brand new, even though it's dirty, it is brand new. It's a Mind Lab pinpointer. These are really, really good pinpointers. And second is gonna be personally signed 𝐬𝐮𝐩 Super Sleuth Gold Panty Kit. And third place is gonna be 3 books instead of 1. I'm gonna give you 3. And that's personally signed too. And they all come with a target bag of pay dirt. So if you didn't find anything, you just might get lucky.
Okay.
Don't be like me and grab a handful. Just grab one name and then read it off. Ready? There you go.
That's me.
All right, this is for third place. Third place. Tom Huey. And, all right, this is second place. Second place. Reach on in there. Yeah. Read that name off. Loud and proud. Pretty handwriting.
Mark. I can't read the last name.
Yeah, that's you, Randy Bush.
Hey!
So you got target bag and personally signed Garrett Super Slim Scope Penny Can. Now I gotta sign it because I didn't sign it yet. First place. Ready? You ready? Ready? Stick it. Whoa! All right, here we go. Excited? Aren't you excited? There you go. You got yourself first place target bag. Man, this guy's just whacking up the goal.
Best $5 you ever spent.
Yeah. He better buy you a beer when he gets back. Yeah, maybe two. It's all yours, son of Jim. Can I have it?
Very nice.
Okay. All right, who do I got with me? This guy could be a football player, but he pulls teeth. I always wonder how you do that. You just hit him real hard?
Actually an orthodontist.
Really? Oh, I thought you were doing it.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
I want to go to him.
I am.
All right, so this guy, he finds gold like Slim does. Look at this. He found this in about 5 minutes. No.
5 minutes.
Look at that. What are you doing at home sitting on the couch getting fat? You could be out here getting gold nuggets like this poor boy.
And
He-
staying fat.
Yeah, staying fat and getting a gold. It's a plus. He found so much gold, he lost gold.
Yeah.
I mean, come on, who does that? Oh, I got too much, so there you go. Wow, okay, well, you did good like you always do. You did great. Yeah, he's happy. I'm happy. These people are happy. And I'm going to go home and be happy.